Healthy foods are essential for maintaining good health and well-being. They provide the body with the necessary nutrients to function properly and help prevent the risk of certain diseases. A balanced and nutritious diet is important for overall health and can have a positive impact on physical fitness, mental well-being, and longevity. Healthy eating involves consuming a variety of foods that provide essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Importance of healthy eating. Eating healthy foods has numerous benefits, including improving physical fitness, boosting self-esteem, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. It also plays a crucial role. Children. Healthy eating can contribute to a longer and healthier life, allowing individuals to engage in various activities and enjoy a better quality of life. Components of a healthy diet. A healthy diet should include a variety of foods from different food groups, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It is important to limit the consumption of processed and high-fat foods, as well as foods high in sugar and sodium. Incorporating fresh fruits and raw vegetables as snacks instead of sugary snacks is a good practice for promoting healthy eating habits. Promoting healthy diets. Promoting a healthy food environment involves the collaboration of multiple sectors and stakeholders, including government, public and private sectors. Governments play a central role in creating a healthy food environment by implementing policies that encourage the production, availability, and affordability of healthy foods. This includes creating coherence in national policies, reducing incentives for the production of processed foods high in unhealthy components, and encouraging consumer demand for healthy foods through awareness campaigns and educational programs. In conclusion, healthy foods are essential for maintaining good health and well-being. A balanced and nutritious diet provides the body with the necessary nutrients and contributes to overall physical and mental well-being. Promoting healthy diets through policy interventions and awareness campaigns is crucial for creating a supportive environment for healthy eating.